pull. Probably not smart to do near a police station. I've been itching for some supercharger whine, so I'm gonna show you what I did to my stock airbox. All I care about is noise. I don't really care about power. That's what this little baby's for. This is the power baby. Let's take you on over to the Mini. I call it my noise holes. Got some noise holes for the people. Got some power holes. Got some power holes. Technically, if you do think about it, it is less restrictive. Or under the filter, oops, like it's fine. It's some thick old plastic. Oh, there it goes. I'll do a couple more holes, and then we'll go for a little rip ski. Oh yeah, you got the right idea, buddy. You got the right idea. These trains take forever. Okay, new plan. Man, this thing is a squeak box. That Japanese cars are freaking crappy. Oh, baby. Before I did that mod, you could not hear any induction. Let's see if I can do a little pull ski down here for the boys and ladies that watch the channel. All 5 of you. Took out the cabin filter because I read on some old forums that that's the move for noise. Well, I cut the camera and I guess this just happened, so we're gonna swing it around town here. Damn it, I'm literally trying to dodge the train. I just drove like 5 minutes down the road. Nope, train's following me. How inconvenient. I'm literally just trying to see my kid.